So we did a thing.
We did.
Yeah?
And it worked out great, I think.
I think so too. We redesigned our bathroom in our house, and this is sort of start to finish. And as all big reveals go,
We start with the old.
right, there's the old
Here
door,
it is. Oh
and
my goodness, the closet. Ooh, it opened. That's lucky.
the coat closet open on the first try.
That's a really first try? Or
Yeah,
did
no,
you-
for real.
Oh,
Here is our old
I can't even.
linen closet. It's so gross and packed with stuff. Every time we opened it, we didn't know if we were going to get
It was just hard
avalanche
to
of towels.
access it, to keep it neat and tidy. It was just
Right.
awful. And our old washroom, which on a quick glance doesn't look that bad, right? It's old sconce maybe and
Yeah,
a little dated, but for the most part it looks nice.
vanity was the wrong size for that space too.
It was. And
The
those doors.
shower.
The shower was a nightmare.
It was. The glass doors came off all the time. We had to always put them back on. We were afraid that someone was going to get killed in our shower when they were visiting us.
Yeah.
And so we're glad to be rid of that. And it's just some
Overall.
shoddy workmanship in this.
Shoddy.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
it needed to get redone.
We didn't have a choice. It had to be done.
Yes. So we employed the help of our son.
Yep.
He helped rip the old one out with the
Go
contractors. Yeah. Yeah. Destroying things is his business.
Yeah.
Here's a little look at the layout, and the layout, it turned out a little bit differently than we originally planned because of this thing. This is the HVAC vent that runs up to the main floor, and if we wanted to take it out, it would have cost us too much money. So we moved on without it. We redesigned, and here's the linen closet, sort of in the in-between phase, and here's the shower in the in-between phase.
All insulated. Great idea.
Yeah.
Deadens the sound and keeps it warm.
Yes,
Yeah.
very good, very well done. And here is Omar, our contractor,
Yeah.
and he is cutting some tiles for that shower. There we are, putting them in. They did a great job on this, very patient.
Beautiful.
Yeah. And there's Omar again with our plumber, and they're putting the top on the vanity. And we're very excited at this point. We're getting very close to the end of the project. Here we are. Here is the new front door. It has been moved over by about 1.5 feet.
I thought we'd lose a lot of light, but we didn't. It's the same,
Yeah.
if not more.
The windows at the top of this seem to keep the natural light coming through from the foyer. And no more
No.
coat closet.
And I love it. It's so much more welcoming when you walk in.
It is.
Yeah.
And it's a brighter space in there, and everything works out. Looks
And
nice.
more importantly, we get better use out of our linen closet.
Right.
It's deep, and we carry all our linen in there, even extra
Yes.
pillows, our floor mats. I
Everything.
love it. And we really lucked out with the flooring.
We did.
Yeah, that is not, they don't make those anymore, the style
Yeah.
of floor.
So we had to match it to the stuff that we had. We had to go to Kitchener to get it, but got it for free,
Yeah.
right? It was it's
Nice.
very nice. So here we are. Here's the.
Get to the good part.
It's not TikTok.
Okay.
Okay. Anyway,
Shower.
this is the shower. We started this in about mid-August. This renovation finished. Finally got the glass doors installed at the beginning of October. So it takes a while.
6 weeks. 6 weeks.
Yeah.
It took, and another 3 for the doors to come in.
Shower looks great. I love the hand wand, and then the controls that we have that you can flip it over to the left. It's the hand wand. To the right, it's the rain shower head, and then this temperature dial. You set it and forget it. Once you've got the temperature the way you like it, every time you turn the water on, it goes exactly to that temperature. Super
Such a
nice.
cool feature.
And that's like my microphone while I'm singing in the shower too. Rain shower head.
Great rain shower head, and the pressure is perfect. So.
Yes.
And then we've got our infinity nook or shelf, and that's a great spot for all of my shampoos and
Right.
conditioners because I
Yes,
have a lot.
You do. I have none. Anyway, and here our medicine cabinet with the LED lighting around it.
And
Love
then
it.
everything is push open, I
Yeah.
think.
It is.
Yeah.
It's a nice addition. The light is great. The push to open
they are.
doors, the inner mirrors on the inside, the electrical receptacle built into it. It's great. And here, let's have a look at this vanity again.
So pretty. And I love the white stone top. It's very simple looking. It goes great with the hardware.
Yeah.
And then you've got that great feature of the inlay on the drawers.
Yes,
And that
and
faucet.
running water.
Is that what you're showing there?
Yes,
Running water?
exactly.
Interesting. Yes. It works.
Penny towel.
Penny tile. We went with the mocha color. And then we did the grout with bone.
Yeah. the push to open drawers on the vanity.
Holds most of my stuff.
Yes, 2 drawers there. Yeah, it really helped with the linen closet.
And the shelf looks great.
Yes, this was your idea to add the shelf, and
guess.
it does. It looks great.
Yeah, we have high ceilings, so we needed to use it.
Yeah, and this poster here, super nice. We were looking for something this style of art, but we wanted to have something that meant something to us. And
More
Killarney,
personal.
right? So Killarney Provincial Park is where?
It's just outside of Sudbury. It's a place that
where I
grew up, where I was raised.
Yes.
And so it was familiar to me because that's where we spent our time camping. So
Yeah, really nice.
Personal.
Very nice personal touch.
Thanks.
And then we get down to the floor tiles. I'm sorry, the throne.
This is the throne.
Right,
And
of
then
course.
it's got the dual flush.
Yes.
It also has another feature where you can just click the buttons and pull the seat cover off.
Right.
And the tiles, you weren't sure about. I was really going for the bungalow 1960s, 50s, 60s style.
Right.
And I actually wanted it to look like a high school flooring just because I thought that was the style back then.
And when you brought it home, I thought it was a bit busy,
Yeah.
but I've learned to trust your taste over the years.
You were really good about it.
Tied it in.
I almost didn't use it,
You tied it in perfectly.
but I loved it. So
Yeah, you tied it in perfectly, and
Thank
and
you.
I'm really happy that we went with it, and I'm happy that you picked it. It
too.
is really nice.
Yeah.
It's beautiful even.
Beautiful.
So here's just some snapshots that we took at the end. Let's give some credit to the designer.
Thank you.
Carrie designed this whole thing. We had to do a little bit of a rejig when we had the HVAC problem, but
We moved forward.
right, and
Yeah.
it pretty much turned out the same way you had planned it all along, just a little bit smaller. You picked the tiles, you sourced the contractors, you managed the contractors through the whole thing. You designed this whole thing, and Carrie, you can do this for our clients.
I can. If you need help, let us know.
Right.
Contact us.
Yes. If you're thinking about selling, we can help you revamp things, remodel a little bit. Or if you want to stay and just freshen
Improve
up your
your
space,
space,
yeah, then Carrie is great for that as well. Let us know. Contact us anytime. Carrie is happy to help you.
Bye.
Buying or selling, Owning Toronto takes care of your dwelling.